Hi, so this is Kalawatiputra Edu. This is your educational platform, the EdTech platform, and this is a chat box. It's enabled like the window you first time visit. After 3 seconds, it will be enabled. Not first time, you will be like on the home page. Then after 3 seconds, it will be enabled. Once you click on disable, then it will be disabled for like all times. Okay, so and here this is a testimonial. And this is the course sections. Just trending courses showing here, like a newly added courses, and some articles like blogs. And here you can see this is the frequently asked FAQ questions. Okay, and this is a beautiful footer. So yeah, directly we're gonna. It's also like you can see slider. A text will be changing according to this, and this will be like running in the loop. Okay, and here you can see this is the introduction video. And after this, we're gonna move on blogs and articles. This is the blogs and articles page. So if admin has different trick, then it will be shown here. Otherwise, latest article is showing here. So you can ping any articles and like suppose I click on ping, then it will be say like a login first. So you can ping. Once you pin, then it will be reflected on the top. Okay, and this is the admin. This both content is admin pinned, like admin has pinned. So if you pin another one, then it will be redirect after the admin pin. And yeah, this is some blogs. And if you click on anywhere, like suppose this one blogs. So here you can see this blogs is like a user's name and publish, and this is the tags, and there are code snippet. If you click on copy, then it will be showing the copy. This is some image like attached with this blocks. So this is showing here. Back to search. Click on another. See, this is the JWT blocks, the code, and these both are the image attached on this blocks. So yeah, this is the block section. This is the course section. In the course section, all the edit courses populated here. Click on filter, and you can see like a newest and most popular. This is both tags. You can filter here. And see, this is the test like a data. There are no courses right now. So if you want to click on AF interview questions, view details, and it's saying login. Okay. So simply I'm going to click on login with Google. Okay, login successfully. Click on the courses, view details. See, the courses is showing here. Click on enroll. There you can see courses enrolled successfully. Added by admin. This is the date of publishing the course. The one module only, one topic, and this is the deviations and progress bar. So if you click on content, see there are like a text, you can click on here. Then progress bar is like there are one topic, so it will be reflecting as 100%. Unselect like multiple topics and content is showing here. If I click on download notes, then see here the like a notes is uploaded. See the questions, most important React interview questions. Okay, Go to back, and this is the test like a dummy data. See, there are two modules and four topics here. If you click on enroll, then see no I started, but after enroll it's showing 0% progress. These are the two modules and four topics. Each module contain two topics. If there anyone like a video, then it will be reflected here. Notes. Okay, this is the topics name. Similarly for this. Now we're gonna back on contact us. So this is the some basic contact details. Click on resume screening, and there is an option for screening your resume. Click on choose resume, download. I select my resume. See it's analyzing. This is the our resume score 75 out of 100. Certification section is missing here in my resume. See, this is the summary and this is the improvements. And based on the resume, it suggests three type of questions: technical, aptitude, soft skills. So technical questions, it's fetching from my according to my resume. Okay, aptitude and soft skill. And after there is a learner section. So this is the major module in our website, Kalawatiputra Edu. The first one is roadmap, TSA practice, admission help, counseling, internship, mentorship, certificate. Let's do one by one. Click on roadmap. So it's a updated one, not updated one. We are already updated, but it's pending to deployment. This is the image. This is some PDF. Okay. Now click on DSA practice. So see, this is the dashboard. This is the recommended questions. It will be so like it will be changed frequently. This here you can see the streak. This is the total number of questions solved in progress. So timer. Stat. You can set the stat like a daily. We have to solve the two or three questions, whatever you want. No, if you are solving, then it will be so here. And here you can put the goal like a three or two questions. We have to like a set the goal three questions in a day. This is recommended question. Here you can see all questions. If you click on favorite, then it will be shown here. The topics. Okay. If I click on array, then here you can see all array questions is showing here. This is the difficulty, question name, status. If you solve, then solve, in progress, not started, then not start, difficulty, topics. This is the like this question is asking this company. Tag is absolutely free. Everything here. If you click on solve, then it will be redirect to GFG or lit code, whatever we added for these questions. Okay. After solving this, you can write here the approach. Okay, the notes, and here we give the filter, advanced filter. So you can search through the difficulty like medium, all medium questions showing. Company, suppose Microsoft. So this all are asking Microsoft. And this is the progress, like so you already solved, then you can see in progress, unsolved, then also. Okay, so this is all about the TSA practice section. Now go to the admissions. So see, this is the like some university or colleges showing here. This is the degree and so many things. If you want to take the admission, click on apply. After apply, it will be show like our team will be connecting. Click on apply button. Just show this. This is the basic form. You can filter through the degree name. Now we move back to counseling. So here, like we build the best one, but it will not deploy, so it will be showing some Vercel. This is the internship. This is the internship. Okay, so if you want to apply on this internship, click on there, apply. Mentorship, we are adding the all mentors here, and another is certification. So simply I move up back on certification. We provide the four type of certification: DSA questions, welcome certificate, workshop event, and course completion certificate. Okay, so welcome certificate for everyone. Welcome certificate. You can also unlock the certificate. See the certificate has downloaded. See, this is a beautiful certificate, valid certificate. Okay, if you want to validate the certificate, scan the QR code simply. Certificate number. After the certificate, we have explore section. We can add the articles or blogs. User can create the articles and blogs. Then services. Then this is the store section. These services we are providing. See this type of services. You can filter through here also. Now this is the store. So here the store section, like any goodies or any something gadgets, it will be populated here. We can purchase. And this is the advanced filters options, also sortings. There are no product added now. This is not a space section. Now profile. If I click on my profile, then see my image is showing here. These are some basic details about me, and this is the streak. Okay. Today is like a 9th November, so it will be reflecting here. If you solve any questions or anything, then mark as up to your streaks. Green. After this, move to dashboard. See, this is the dashboard. Window and 7 courses. This article and my created all the blocks showing here. If you create the blocks, you can edit or delete it. If any found any bugs and problem, you can write this to this form. Now I log out. Okay, so that's all about the Kalawatiputra Edu. Okay, thank you.